Okay, so we're going to see how well this Seal and Grout Home Stain Cleaner does on my washing machine front loader here. This has been cleaned, and this is just the stains that remain from the mold that can build up in here. So I just did my washing machine cleaner cycle, and now we're going to try this out. So this is the application process. This is the bottle. You simply put the lid on the top of it, and you'll see it creates a bead of this gel-like liquid that comes out of here. So we're gonna place this on here. I've got a little brush I'm gonna spread it around with. It's pretty thick, so it doesn't look like it's gonna run. And then we're gonna leave it on here. It says 5 to 8 hours longer for more difficult stains. So we're gonna go with that and see what happens. So I'm just checking in now at the 1 hour mark to see how well the gel is working. And as you can see, it's already doing a great job, and it's only an hour in. Okay, and so here is the after of cleaning the mold and mildew off of here. So after the gel was on here and let it sit for the period of time that was specified, then I just wiped it out with paper towels and got that and threw those away. And then I did, to finish up, throw one of those washing machine cleaner tabs in here and run it on the cleaning cycle. And then after that, everything was cleaned off, and this is what I'm left with. So I would say this is about 90% to 95% better than it was. There's still a little bit of staining right here, but I think that if I do this more routinely and perhaps do it again, maybe in a month or so, that it's going to continue to improve the look of it. But I am thrilled. I am super pleased because there was quite a bit of staining here, and it just looked awful putting things in the washing machine. And so, like I said, to have 90 to 95% reduction of that, I'm really, really pleased with. So again, this product that I used right here, the Seal and Grout Home Stain Cleaner, and it worked like a charm.